Hey Lord of the Rings, Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another statue I'd like to show you, and it is Galadriel from the Classic series. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. Right out of the box. Let's stand up for a little bit here. And this Classic series is from The Hobbit. And really enjoyed this. I just got this in the mail just the other day. And I know some people have had this particular Galadriel come in the mail and she has like googly eyes or whatever, but we will see what happens when I take this out of the box and see if she does have that or not. And I will show you the art box. Pretty cool art box. This is really nice. Very beautiful box. And I think, yeah, I started doing this where you can, there's a flap here. Then there's all the written information on her on the inside of the flap there, which I think is really cool. And it's magnetic, so let's take her out of the box. There. Nice. And yeah, that's the top. Okay. Okay. Let's get that out. Okay. And it's just all in one piece by the looks of things. Move that. Carefully. Okay, unravel it first. Oh my God, guys. She is so elegant. This is a very elegant piece. Just be careful when you pull it out. Her hair and everything is like a little fragile by the looks of things. There we go. Oh, this is just beautiful. And her hair and everything, wow. And her eyes, perfect. There's nothing wrong with the eyes on this one. As I said, people have been saying that her eyes look like they're like that guy from, I don't know, what's that movie? Mr. Deeds, where she looks like Mr. Googly Eyes, but she doesn't on this one. This is beautiful. Lots of styrofoam, a few pieces of styrofoam there. Let me just sit down. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. Wow. I love the intricate curls that she has in her hair. Just phenomenal on that. And the flowness of her robe on this. And And the likeness of her to Kate Blanchett is spot on. Wow, this is really, really nice. I can't wait to show you some close-ups of this, guys. I just can't say wow enough. This is just a beautiful piece. And don't get me wrong, like I said, the guys that said that this is kind of like mediocre, not to me. This is just a beautiful piece. And I can't wait to show you guys some close-ups of this. Like, wow. And which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to show you some close-ups. I am just ecstatic about this piece. Sculptor Jane Wenley. I'll show you that again. Jane Wenley, if you're watching this, you did phenomenal on this. I absolutely love this. Now to show you some close-ups. Okay guys, just the overview. Is it all further out? This is such a beautiful piece. Okay, let's show you some close-ups what I mean here. And Kate Blanchett's likeness is spot on with this. It is just beautiful. You can see her brooch kind of looking thing on her shirt. Really, really cool. And then her cloak, her clothes going down, her cloak. Very, very cool, draping down. And this is the scene where Gandalf sees her at the beginning of The Hobbit. Very beautiful. And her headpiece, her crown. This is so cool. You can see right here what I mean. Look at her hair. Wow. Nice curly hair on the back, or wavy hair. So gorgeous and so beautiful. And they're kind of separate a little bit, so be careful, can be a little bit fragile. And her headdress again on the other side. I love her cloak. It's really, really nice. Just beautiful. And this is what I mean. She does not have the googly eyes. I absolutely love this piece. I just can't say it enough. I love this piece. I love the statue. This is so cool. Wish I had an electric Lazy Susan so it can just turn around all day and watch it. Even her hands, look at her hands. A little bit of vein work in her hands, so that's pretty cool. And then nice shirt underneath, like just the plain design. And then her brooch kind of looking thing there. Pretty cool. Yeah, overall, wow, you guys. This is just an absolutely awesome piece. I'm glad I picked this one up. I'm very happy with this one. Just look at her hair. Just exquisite. It's very, very cool. So that's Galadriel of the White Council. And then that's from the Classic series. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Galadriel of the White Council Classic series. Comment down below what you guys thought of it. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. See you guys in the next video. And stay tuned. I got lots more videos coming up.